Hello, good people. This is a quick video to show you a setup that I used to do when I was doing a lot of vending events. This is an inside event that we did. And at that time, we had a color-coded setup where we had 4 different colors, and the color would tell you what the price was. The pricing was from 10, 15, 20, and 25. And so you could tell if, for example, if red was 10, then blue might be 15, green might be 20, yellow might be 25. So that way the customer did not have to ask the price. It just made it easy for everybody because we had, as you can see, we had lots of inventory. I had a lot of help when I did these kinds of events. Just giving you an idea of, and this was all before Glowforge. So this is all polymer clay, beading, and wire that we did.